Hello, it's that time again. It's time for another Nadine West unbagging, and I am so excited. This is for the month of March, and I've just been seeing all the things they've been putting on Instagram and Facebook, and it just makes me so excited to get my shipments and just excited for the company just to see them grow and expand. And they're really starting to recognize the current trends, and oh man, they grabbed them and they just took off running, and they're in our shipments. And so they're keeping us current, they're keeping us in season. Like, I'm absolutely loving everything about it right now. So let's get into it and see what they sent us this time. Alrighty. Very full bag this month. That makes me so excited. Alright, and the first thing here is, okay, so let's open it up and see what we got. Alright. Oh my gosh, I love these. Let me move my chair out of the way so y'all can see. These are like some really wide leg, I want to say slack, but they're like a linen material, but they've got like a shimmer to them. Do you see it? And they've got the stretchy waist, so they'll be really comfortable. They are by the brand John and Anna, and I think these are going to be so comfortable and cute. Oh my good God. Like, and let me tell you, what we saw on the runways, the spring runways, was metallics. So we saw a lot of metallics, so this shimmer is gonna hit it with that. So with all that trend going on right now, so I'm excited to try these on. Okay, and this is the first time I've seen this. I don't know what this is. It's a Nadine West like cloth bag. It's the first time I've seen this. I don't know what's in here. See, oh, it's just all nicely wrapped up with your jewelry. So I wonder if that's something new that they're doing, so your jewelry's a little more protected maybe. That's nice. Okay, so let's see what we got. We got some, oh, these are really cute. There's some gold dangles, but they're like hoops. They dangle before they become a hoop, and they've got the gold medallions on them, and they're by the brand Pamina, and it says it's plated brass. So those are super cute. I can't wait to try those on. I like those. I like really big earrings. So yeah, I like those a lot. I know y'all didn't. They sent more denim, and I'm not talking about stretch denim, I'm talking about denim, like actually with the zipper and the button. Oh my God, heck yes. Okay, it's this dark denim, and they've already got the frayed edges. If you followed me from last time, I actually ended up cutting off the length of the last one and making the frayed edges. So these are already done that way, and they're by the same brand as the last denim we got. It's the brand Express. I love Express jeans, so I'm so excited that they sent us more denim, and it's by a brand I already know and love. So, oh my God, I'm so excited to try those on. So the first roll they sent us is an absolute freaking hit, and I can't wait to see what's in the next one. Okay, so let's see what's up next. All rolled up nice and neat. Oh my goodness, I swear they read my mind with this one. It's like a nude colored blazer. I swear to goodness, they freaking read my mind, because I was just thinking the other day, I needed another blazer, and I'm so excited about this one. It's like over in the front. Oh my god, I cannot wait to try that on. Okay, then we got a sage colored t-shirt. It's got the shoulders out and it's got this crisscross pattern in the front. I really love this color. I wear a lot of this color, so I think this will look really, really good with the stuff we got. And then we got a mustard colored top. It's by the brand Love Poem. And I love this. It's like a stretchy material. And it's more of a crop style top. It doesn't come too far up. It hits like right at your hemline. So it's such a pretty earthy color. I love this, and it's a really cool slinky material. Oh my god, this is going to end up, I can already tell you, this is going to end up being one of my favorite tops in my closet. I just already know. I just already know. But I think that's it. Let's look here and make sure. We got our packing slip. Make sure you hang on to this. It's got your list on here showing you how much everything is, your instructions, and then your return label. And then they give you a new bag because this one kind of gets beat up in shipping. So they give you a new bag to send everything back in. So make sure you keep up with these two things and you can send back what you don't want. But if you're like me, you have a really hard time doing that because you end up loving everything. But anyways, let's try on what we got. I'm so excited, and let's see what we like and what we don't. Oh my goodness. It is like Nadine West read my mind with this shipment. It is kind of crazy. These jeans fit like an absolute dream. They are not too tight. They're not too loose. They are comfortable and perfect. They're slightly wide leg, more of a relaxed fit. And I love the dark denim. They sent me some light denim last time, so they sent me some dark denim this time. And like I said before, I absolutely love the brand Express. And this top, is this just not cute? Oh my gosh, I love how you can see a little bit of my tattoo with it. And I love the crisscross pattern in the front. And this color, I gravitate to this color a lot. And then you got this little slit on the side. It kind of gives you a little bit more shape. And this is so cute. I absolutely love this. And I'm going to try on the blazer they sent. It is by the brand SHIPMENT. And I think I am going to be wearing this a whole lot. It's a blazer, but it's more of a relaxed fit. It's not super structured, so it's got more of a casual fit to it. You can wear this with a black tank and some blue jean shorts. You can pair it with a dress. You can wear it like we're wearing it now with a t-shirt and jeans. And you can even dress it up with some slacks and a dress shirt. Like, these blazers are so super functional right now. We saw a lot of these in the trending post and everything for this spring. So if you don't have a blazer and you really want one, trust me, you won't regret going out and getting one. And who knows, maybe Nadine West will send you one too, because they sent me one and I just really didn't think that I was going to see this in my shipment. So you can just imagine my surprise when I actually saw one. So I'm going to be wearing all of this so much. I absolutely love it. They hit it out of the park with this one. So let's try on the next outfit and see if it's just as much of a hit as this one. Oh my goodness. Look at these pants. Oh, they're so cute. You see when I move, they've got that metallic shift to them. It's not like it's all metallic and all in your face. It's just really subtle and enough to catch the eye. I absolutely love it. They're super comfortable. They're high-waisted. and they've got this like pleat on each side to give it a little more shape and kind of draw you in a little bit. And this top, I love the color of this top. It is so, so pretty, and I gravitate to this type of color a whole lot. Like, oh my goodness. And it's such a flattering material. Like, it kind of just forms to your body and kind of smooths you out, and it's super comfortable, and I will be wearing this so much. Maybe not together, but I'm so excited about styling each piece. Like, I cannot wait. There's so many different ways you can style this. Like, it's just limitless. Like, you cannot put a number of amount of ways you can wear these two items with so many different things. I am so excited to wear them. Let me show you the earrings they sent. Are they not so pretty? They're these circle hoops. They've got all the little medallions hanging from them. And like I said, I freaking love big earrings. And these are perfect. I absolutely love them. So, oh my gosh, Nadine West, what in the world? I cannot believe, oh my gosh, I'm just so excited about every single piece that we got. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm going to change back into what I was in, and then we're going to talk about it because I'm excited, guys. This shipment may be the best one we've gotten yet. Okay, so like I said, I cannot believe how much they read my mind on this shipment. I am so excited to add these things to my closet and style them in so many different ways. Like, it just gave me that motivation I needed to make more content and fun outfits, and I am super excited and super pumped that they provided those things so that we can do that. So let's go over some prices. The blazer was $32.99, which is an amazing, amazing price. The two tops, the mustard green one and the little light sage one, are both, they're $19.99, which are excellent prices. And then the jeans are $44.99, which for a good pair of jeans, like, I cannot tell you how many times I've paid $100 for a good pair of jeans, and those are literally less than half the price than what I would normally pay for a good, solid pair of jeans. And those are a thick denim that are going to last. The hardware on them, the buttons, the zipper, like, are all super, super high quality. And like I said, I've wore Express jeans in the past, and I've wore them for years and years. So for jeans like that, I would normally pay up to $100 for, and here we're getting them for $45. So an amazing price point for that. And for our earrings, they are $17.99. They are so freaking cute. I'm gonna wear those. You're probably gonna get tired of me wearing those because they're so cute. I'm gonna be wearing them so much. So the prices are, I mean, they speak for themselves. You look at the quality and the prices and how much they offer and how current they're keeping us and how much they're actually listening to our wants and needs. Like I said, I wanted a blazer. I wanted some more denim. I love the colors green and yellow, and I love big statement earrings. Like, they're those metallic pants that we saw so much of that kind of thing on the spring runways, and like, I'm just so excited that I wasn't just kind of on the fence about any of it. Like, I absolutely 100% loved every item that they sent me, and I honestly, and I think I've said this a couple of times already, but I think this is the best shipment I've ever gotten, ever. Like, I'm keeping everything. I absolutely love it. And if you get a shipment and you are the same way, you're like, I want to keep everything. Like, I cannot imagine sending anything back, you can use my code CCalloway25 and you can get $25 off of your total so that you can keep everything and get a little bit of a discount too. So make sure to use that if you get one of those shipments where you just can't imagine sending anything back. And that is what I got today. I'm not sending anything back. I'm keeping it all. I'm so excited about it. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this unbagging and try on. What did you think about it? Did you see anything that you would wear or anything that you hope is going to show up in your shipment? Leave me some comments down below. Let's have a conversation. I love talking to you guys down in the comments. And be sure to like this video. And if you're not already, follow and subscribe. Oh my goodness gracious. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I put out another video. I do a lot of try-ons and hauls, and I'm all about affordable fashion and beauty products and all of that. So that's what you see over here on my channel. So if you like that kind of thing, be sure that you are subscribed to my channel so that you can see more of that. And thank you so much for hanging out with me today, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.